Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2008 Dodge Dakota, stock number 16C123A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a trailer hitch here on the back. Dodge bedliner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Dakota on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.